Hi students, this is Srinivas, Botany PSR. My qualification is MSc MPhil, MA BD. My teaching experience is 20 years. Now I am going to present lac operon concept. Here lac means lactose. Operon means a group of structural genes regulated by O gene, P gene, I genes. This lac operon concept proposed by Jacob and Monod. This lac operon concept proposed by Jacob and Monod. This Jacob belongs to geneticist. Monod belongs to he is a biochemist. So that is lac operon concept proposed by these two persons, these two scientists with close association. So the lac operon concept proposed by which biochemist means Monod, geneticist means Jacob. There are different types of operons. First one is lac operon, ara operon, val operon, TRP, that is tryptophan operon, his operon. There are different types of operons. Lac operon, full name is lactose operon. Ara operon means arabinose operon. Val operon means valine operon. TRP operon means tryptophan operon. His operon means histidine operon. Of these different types of operons, these two are called carbohydrate operons. These three are called amino acid operons. So number of these different types of operons, number of operons belonging to carbohydrates means we have to say 2. Number of operons belonging to amino acids means we have to say these 3. So these are the different types of operons. So for video convenience, I am divided into 2 parts, part A and part B. Now this is the part A. This is the diagram of lac operon. These ZYA, these 3 genes are structural genes. Number of structural genes we have to say 3. So what is operon? Means a group of structural genes regulated by O gene, P gene and I gene. This whole together called operon. This is one DNA strand, this is another DNA strand. So operon means all together called operon. So a group of structural genes regulated by O gene, P gene, I gene. Full names. I gene means regulator gene, P means promoter gene, O means operator gene. Why this I? What does this I stands for? This I is derived from the word inhibitor. but not from inducer. From that I gene, repressor mRNA is synthesized by a process called transcription. What is transcription? Formation of mRNA from DNA is called transcription. So from this mRNA, protein is synthesized. This protein is called repressor protein. Formation of protein from mRNA is called translation. So from I gene, number of transcriptions 1. From I gene, number of translations 1. So whenever the repressor protein is formed, this repressor protein binds to operator gene. So binding site of repressor protein is operator gene. Here at promoter site, which enzyme is binded means RNA polymerase. 2 points, very important points I would recall. Binding site of RNA polymerase is promoter but not operator. Binding site of repressor is operator but not promoter. When repressor protein binds to operator gene, transcription is prevented. That means structural genes are switch off. Structural genes are switch off. There is no transcription from structural genes. Here there is no inducer means, so this is in absence of inducer. In absence of inducer, operon is switch off. So this will be called as repression. It is also called negative regulation. When repressor protein binds to operator gene, structural genes are switch off or operon is switch off. This process is so called repression, also called negative regulation. In the next part, that is part B, I am going to tell about in presence of inducer, operon is switch on.